So here we are having our session with Ajit. So I have few questions. Let's start with that. So firstly, tell us where are you located and what exactly is your profession?
I am Ajit Kumar and I am from Delhi and I was working in a MNC in operation department. So and I had a total 15 year of experience in various multinational company of power and infrastructure.
That's amazing. And can you also tell us a little bit about why exactly you started with Digital Mentor World?
As I told you, I was working and life was going okay, but something was missing. I was looking something extra income online. So around 9-10 months ago, I was exploring some online earning option and found something related to freelancing, blogging, etc. But that I was not sure about that. Again, I found this digital mentor world who was not only teaching us best way to do digital marketing, but also providing a platform to work as an affiliate for their global online business. But that time I had no clue about digital marketing, and I was not sure that it will work for me or not because I was from different background and I had a zero knowledge on that. So that time I have just left it. And after 5-6 months of this incident, my real story began when I lost my job due to this pandemic, and I was not getting any alternate option due to this crisis and market situation. So after that, it was very difficult time for me mentally and financially. So I again turned my focus on some online option, and again I explored this digital mental world properly and got to know that it's a wonderful platform to learn online business in very simple way, and it's provide you technique and tool and strategy for global online business, which is seriously mind blowing.
I mean, we are really glad and happy for you to be with us. That's amazing that you're working with us. Also, can you tell us a little bit about your experience in terms of learning through this platform? Like exactly how you're learning, what you want to input through this platform?
When I start learning after completing 2-3 module, I realized that it's a wonderful platform. It's very easy to just learn and apply. Within 2 week joining, I earned my first commission also. It was very encouraging. And currently, I have just reached around my salary income also. So, and I'm sure I will grow
That
much
will
more.
go more. That's mind blowing. If you have already reached the salary income with 15 years of experience and already you have just started doing it like for like few months and you have already reached there, that's wonderful, I feel. So best of luck also. Yeah.
That is because of the guidance and secret technique provided by Digital Mental World and my coach. So it's wonderful actually.
That's amazing. That's amazing. I mean, I hope so. It only grows further, and you achieve and receive more amount. That's all I want. So, also, can you tell us a little bit about your experience as like an affiliate of Digital Mentor World?
That I can say I am receiving commission on daily basis. So experience is very good, and I can highly recommend this platform to someone who want one excellent online income, either part time or full time, whether they are doing any job or any kind of business or study also. So by spending 1 to 2 hour daily, and you can earn excellent income, and it's up to you. I can simply say the more you learn, the more you earn. I recommend just go for it. It will change your life 360 degrees. That's for sure.
Exactly. I mean, we need to find the way of success in the most easiest way right now.
Yeah, actually, you need to just seriously learn and apply. Learn and apply. That's simple. It's a common sense.
Exactly. So I would like to wrap up our whole session with the final question and the last question. So, is there any kind of message you like to give to our audience who is going to watch this video?
Message I just want to say them that if you want something online and some extra income, or so just believe in the system and believe in yourself. Just go for it. It will change your life. That is for sure.
So, just like you said, go for it, Mr. Ajit. You're also going to get the most amount of success. So, I'm going to take a wrap right now. So, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your precious time. Again, let's
Thank
see.
you.
See you next for the next session. Bye bye.